James Hardie siding, it's known across North America for its durability and long life. So when there's a problem, you're right to ask why. In this video, we're uncovering the truth behind common issues with this trusted siding material. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Siding problems can be puzzling, especially with a material as robust as James Hardie's fiber cement siding. If you're facing issues with your siding, you're likely dealing with installation errors or manufacturing defects. Let's find out what might be happening and how to fix it. First up, let's look at why your James Hardie siding might not be living up to its reputation. Installation plays a crucial role, and errors here are the most common culprits. From using the wrong substrate to improper nailing or siding boards installed too tightly, these mistakes can significantly affect your siding's performance. And sometimes foundation shifts or rare manufacturing defects might be to blame. Noticing cracks, chips, or dullness in your siding? These signs can point to the specific cause of the failure. For instance, lifted nails or siding boards could indicate substrate issues, while chipping near nails might reveal nailing errors. Uneven siding or visible buckling, your boards might be too close together, or your home's foundation could be shifting. Identifying the issue is the first step towards a fix. Most James Hardie siding problems stem from installation errors, so it's essential to work with experienced and certified installers, like Southwest Exteriors. If you suspect a manufacturing defect, don't worry, James Hardie's warranty has got you covered. Speaking of warranties, if you're experiencing issues with your James Hardie siding or just want to make sure it's installed correctly, leave a comment below detailing what issues you're having. And for a deeper dive into James Hardie's warranty and how it protects your home, check out our comprehensive guide linked above. For more insights into the latest home improvement solutions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.